back at the Saddle Dome. It is the first chance we get to see Connor Bedard play. So super excited. Very easy process with the masks and the scanning.
Yeah.
And little crashes here. So we're gonna have some fun today. Alright, so first period is in the bag, and what was your first thoughts?
Good.
What do you think of Connor Bedard?
He hasn't been too good this far into the game.
He's saying that because it's 3-0 after one for the Hitmen. Very impressed with him, actually. He's got wheels, he's got hands. A great shot on his first shift, but yeah, it's 3-0 for the Hitmen, so I'd like to see, I got to see one Connor Bedard goal. He's a lot bigger than I thought he would be. He's short, but his body frame is a lot bigger, which I was surprised at too. So, what do you think the second period? Do you think he's going to score in the second period?
Yeah, I think that they're going to come back, and then like another period it's going to be close.
There you have it. 3-0 after one at the Scotiabank Saddle Dome. So it's after 2 periods, and the score is 6-3 Hitmen, which I didn't expect. Did you expect that? No?
Bedard scored.
Yeah, so Bedard's got a point, or 2 points, a goal and an assist, but he also was instrumental on the Hitmen's 4th goal. Short-handed goal, they stripped Bedard, skated in, and banked in a rebound. But who would you say, after seeing him for 40 minutes, the closest comparison, who would you give that to?
I don't know, honestly.
No?
I don't know.
I think he's like a nicer Brad Marchand. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? Anyways, 6-3 Calgary Hitmen after 2 periods. Bedard does have a goal and an assist. Nice pipe off the face-off. 20 more minutes to go in this one, unless they go into overtime. Alright, so the game just ended. Finished up 10-3 for the Calgary Hitmen. What was the biggest thing that you'll walk away with from watching this game? What's the best memory you'll have?
The one player scored more goals than the other team.
Yeah, Riley Fiddler-Schultz with 4 goals and 2 assists, 6 points in the game. Connor Bedard finished with 1 goal, 1 assist for the Regina Pats, but Fiddler-Schultz finished with 4 goals, beating the Regina Pats by 1. What did you think of of Connor Bedard out there, though?
He did well. He got 2 points. It was fun to see him play. I hope we can see him play again, though, in the NHL this time.
There you go. All right, from the Saddle Dome, another the first episode of Crash and Sons. Hit like, subscribe, all that stuff, right?
Yeah. Post notifications.